We're starting this tutorial with a clear objective. We want to build a clean and flexible photo collage layout using frame mask in Photoshop without destructive cropping or constant resizing. First, create a new document based on your final output size. This step matters because spacing and proportions should be defined before adding images, not corrected later. Now, select the Frame tool from the toolbar. Instead of placing photos immediately, we're designing the structure first. In professional workflows, layout always comes before content. Draw multiple frames on the canvas. Each frame works as a container, not a crop. This gives us full control over the layout without touching the original.